Hello, my wonderful people. Let's talk about something we've all been buzzing about lately, the Ebonyi Airport, also known as the Chuba Okadigbo International Airport in Ebonyi State. The one that has kept us on our toes for quite a while now. Everybody is definitely anticipating this particular project, including you. Yes, you. This project has been in the works for some time now, and finally, things are really taking shape. Trust me, it's not just another airport. This one screams class and quality. Now, if you haven't already heard, four airplanes have been promised by the Ebonyi State government, and yes, they've been fully paid for. We are hoping to see those beauties touch down at our very own airport before December. Well, I'm hopeful, and I hope you are hopeful. Can you imagine that? Just a couple of months away, and we'll be seeing airplanes flying in and out of Ebonyi. And you all, it's not just talk. Governor Francis Ogbonnanwifuru has been putting in the work. Trust me, you can feel the excitement building up in the air. But wait, it gets even better. How about we take a quick drive down the runway? It's already fully asphalted, and I must say, the quality is top notch. It's like driving through pure luxury. This runway is not your regular everyday kind of tarmac. Nope. It's Ebonyi State, and the vibes here are giving Dubai, my people. If you're still sleeping on this project, wake up. Take a good look at it with us because Ebonyi State is on a whole new level right now. As the countdown to full operations begins, there's a sense of hope that this new project will open up fresh opportunities for trade, tourism, and transportation in the region. It's also a huge win for those of us who have been waiting endlessly for better access to flights without having to travel to neighboring states. So, while we are keeping our fingers crossed for those planes to arrive, let's also get ready to enjoy the benefits this international airport will bring to Ebonyi State. And moving forward, it's only getting better from here. Oh, and speaking of moving forward, don't forget that Ebonyi People TV is your number one stop for covering all of your events, whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, proposals, funerals, meetings, or conferences. Whatever it is, we've got you covered. Just contact the number showing on your screens and we'll be there for you. Within and outside Ebonyi State, we are always available. So, my people, stay tuned for more updates and let's keep our eyes on the prize as the Chuba Okadigbo International Airport is ready to take its flight.